Now that we know how to create an assignment, we're going to learn how to modify an assignment to make it meet the needs of our own class. So we're going to, once again, click on your grade level. Click on the Personal Math Trainer. Click on Course-Based Assignments, Chapter 1. And then when you click on Assign, click here, Assign, we're going to click Modify. And I can look here and it shows me all of the exercises that are in this assignment. Okay. So this one, they have it titled Lesson 1.3, but I want to make it a Lesson 1.1 to 1.3 review. Let's call it a checkpoint. Okay. I'm going to make it a tested quizzes activity in grades 3 through 6. So I can click preview and it will show me the questions that are already in this assignment. So I can look over here and I can see all of the questions in my assignment. And some of these are just basic, like multiplication, addition. So I'm going to remove this question. Also going to remove this question. I don't want all of them to be from lesson 1.3, so I'm removing a few of these questions. So then I can add some questions from the other lessons. So if I look over here, I can look in this is 1.1. I'll change it to that. We're going to do an on your own question, and we're going to add it. And we'll do another on your own. Let's do another problem solving. Problem solving. A few questions from 1.2. Add that one. Add that one. Remove that one. Here, so now we have one more. Let's do a share and show. We'll add that. And that. So now we have about 3 questions. We can preview it now again. Okay, looks good. And then we will save it. Now that it is saved, I will give it an assignment name. I'm going to select a class, add all students, and save. And click OK. And there it is, checkpoint.